What it do, everybody? We're here at Knott's Berry Farm in Virginia's gift shop. We just saw some 4th of July merch I don't think people have seen yet. People keep walking by.
Yes.
Do you walk by, so merch.
You gotta look.
Merch.
I need to see. I like the little setup. Let me show you.
Yeah.
So, they have the classic K here with the American flag, Knott's Berry Farm.
Nice.
They have a truck, Farm Strong.
Farm Strong. You always Farm Strong.
Mm-hmm. They have American hat on top.
Oh, I didn't see the hat.
It says Knott's Berry Farm on the grill.
What? All America, dude.
Yes.
Why isn't your dad here today?
I know.
This
and
is
it
your dad's
says
day.
Knott's.
That's his color too.
Mm-hmm. I like that they have the Liberty Bells that they were selling earlier this year. It's a ceramic bank.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
They got magnets.
They got
the coffee
mugs.
mugs. Farm Strong. What it do, America?
Yeah. Blue on the inside.
That's cool. Then they got a bunch of
there's a simple black hat.
Oh, that one's cool. I like that one.
It says Knott's in the back as well in black.
Oh, that's a nice hat.
Yeah. And then I see there's a red and blue light up stars.
That's cool for the kids.
Tonight.
For tonight.
Yes, for the kids.
For the fireworks.
Oh man, pencils.
You need that.
I use a lot of pencils at work, so I might get a couple pencils myself.
Nice. Those are nice.
Yeah.
And of course they got
the masks. You know, leftover
buy
masks.
2, get 10 free.
Farm Strong.
Man, so much merch today at Knott's Berry Farm.
This keychain's only $5.99.
What?
Yeah.
America's on sale this weekend.
Yeah, look at the monstrosity humongous bun.
Look, there's a cinnamon bun that they deep fried. That's the size they get.
No, it's bigger than that.
No, well, there's a big one back there.
No, but what we got, that was a super.
They should deep fry this one.
So interesting thing we just noticed right now here at the bakery. There's breakfast burritos.
Right? I didn't even notice that.
This is like the only place that we found so far that has breakfast, and I think that's convenient. So this one has applewood bacon, eggs, cheddar cheese, and tater tots. Of course, tater tots!
Oh, right. Yes. I love tater tots.
And the other one's a potato and egg burrito that has eggs, cheddar cheese, and tater tots.
But they got French burritos
And there's a ham burrito back there. This is smoked ham, eggs, cheddar cheese, and tater tots.
This is your breakfast option. Or you can get, or you can get that. Let's see what you're gonna get, dude. Boysenberry Danish. Look how big it is. We can share it with 2 coffees. Bam. That's all you need.
So it's gonna be the
Yes.
Okay. It's gonna be 1066, please, and then I'm only a soda.
It's Danish time.
Ooh, it's warm.
It's warm?
A little.
Yeah, that means it's fresh then. How is it?
Oh, that's good.
It's a Danish. Kind of like a cream cheese Danish, but no cream cheese. It's got that boysenberry originality.
I get that hint of cream cheese. Like, is it? I think that's.
It's a frosting.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a cream cheese. A cheese Danish with boysenberry. You love it? It's the only place in the park you get breakfast and Starbucks coffee. Dude, they have Starbucks coffee today. I thought we were gonna get like some regular coffee. But look how hot my coffee is. It's so hot and it's so good. And I want some of that.
This is really good.
Is it?
This is a 10, man. We would get this again. You haven't even tried it yet.
We have to get our own rating system now.
How many would it do?
How many what it do should it be? From 1 to 10 or for what?
Yeah, 1 to 10.
How many what it do's would you give that?
I would give it a 9 what it do.
9 what it do? That's a pretty high score.
That's a pretty good what it do.
But you've had more. You've had one what it do better.
Really, like it's not like super fresh, like warm. If it was super fresh, like warm, that would have been. It's like slight, you know. Like it was made probably an hour ago.
Probably.
But that's still fresh.
I think that probably was made an hour ago.
I know. Try it, babe.
Okay. So now it's my turn. Welcome to Camp Deliciousness. Oh, it's fresh. It's still warm.
Get in that middle. Get that little bite right there since you have a little bread still in your mouth. Oh, that filling, right? Yes.
Like I said in the last video, they don't give away the berries, they don't give away the chicken. Except for this one. I don't know. I'll give it 10 what it do.
It's really good.
That what it do right there, that's good. This is really cool. You're gonna enjoy this. Look at the geode right here. It's the glory hole.
Oh man, that's neat.
It's the old glory hole.
Oh wow.
And he's $649. How about it?
Oh well, that's really neat. I like that.
I like it, but not the price.
I know.
Hi, my name's Rondo. See you at Oxbury Farm. It looks like Juan, like when he gets up in the morning. I gotta go to work. Time to go to my desk. I got millions of these. Oh man. Who wants some beef jerky? Are you seeing what I'm thinking?
Oh shit.
That looks like the train to me.
It's the train.
The train has returned. The Knott's right there. Oh my God, the train's back.
The train is back. I can't believe it.
Dude.
We saw pulling up right now, and we're going, do you see what I see? Can you believe it?
Doc Brown fixed it.
I'm ready to go for a ride on the train. Good way to kick off our 4th of July weekend.
Yes.
For our first ride.
Let's go. Let's go do this for our first ride today. Bam, the train. Let's go get our money stolen on the train.
Look at this. All right, Charlie, you got money? No money? I got cash. Oh, here, you need to work on it. Charlie, I don't know who sold that to you, but it's not me. All right. You got money or she got all your money? You got to get it back? Hold it in. All right. That's a funny looking gun you've got, mister. All right.
No, you don't. Don't let her in.
Let me in. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I felt like a salad on this nice hot day to start it off with that meal plan we have.
I know, this looks very delicious. I'm digging the salad right here. Look at that.
Look at that steak salad. I got a chicken salad that I'm drowning in dressing.
Avocado ranch.
With avocado and strawberries.
I feel eating this is gonna cool me down a lot.
Yeah.
Including with my poison punch. My boysenberry punch right here.
And we get little croutons.
I know they're tiny, huh?
They're tiny croutons.
Extra golden croutons.
Ooh, extra croutons.
Welcome aboard the Sky Cabin.
Welcome aboard.
I regret my choice.
180.
Please remain seated until we reach our cruising altitude. If you choose to stand during our flight, then
you're on your own.
I'm not standing.
Directly
Put your head here. If you want to stand up.
So smoking is
Don't
prohibited.
stand up.
I'm standing up.
Please prepare for gate departure. flying guests over Knott's Berry Farm since 1976. The Sky Cannon, which you are currently riding, was originally built in Switzerland. It's transported in several sections through the Panama Canal to Knott's Berry Farm and has been soaring ever since. We would like to now direct your attention outside your window as we tell you some of the sights you will see. To the south, you will see Hang Time, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down a 96-degree drop.
They don't use anymore.
To the east, you will see many sights within our ghost town, Fiesta Village.
Oh, look at the rides!
That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Log Ride. It was the first themed log flume ride when it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular
Hang Time, baby!
Just beyond those small countries is where you'll be able to sit up camp with the Peanuts game.
It looks smaller.
Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children under 12
Look, I can see
years
the
of
car.
age.
I can see the car.
In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar attraction, a family roller coaster that sends passengers
I know, right? Look at the
on
screen.
tour around Fiesta Village, through the loop of Montezuma's Revenge,
Oh my God.
and around Reflection Lake.
Oh man, they're filling
Speaking
up
of
their bottoms
Montezuma's
already
Revenge,
on the
it
pond.
opened on May 25th,
Oh, no.
1978.
That's where you do not want to be.
Farm's
That's
longest
the line
standing
over
roller coaster. Montezuma's Revenge is an exciting ride that catapults
sit down there.
passengers out of the station at 55 miles per hour.
But no, that's not the same. Because that one hurts.
Yeah, Snoopy time. Hello. He's in his America's Best. That's America Snoopy right there. Snoopy. Bye, Snoopy. He's so cute. He's watching the. He loves the stagecoach. Ooh, look at the horsey. Look at the horsey. Look at the horsey. Oh. Hi, horsey.
Oh.
Split his head a little bit. Just do it like that. Oh, you got the pedal. Horsey.
Is he eating down there?
Horsey. Yeah, I think he's eating. No, he's just hanging out. He likes to get petted. What's your name, buddy? What's your name? He loves his pets. Where's he gonna go up or not? Because there's no more pets coming.
Horsey. Horsey.
You just gonna pet him?
Horsey.
Hi, horsey.
Oh, the horsey.
Oh, I've never petted a horse before. Horsey. I've never petted a horse before. Chicken time.
Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Is it hot though? Is it good though?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be hot. Every place is just cold here. Did you see they gave you different gravy this time?
They did. It's now a brown gravy instead of that white gravy.
Yeah,
that country gravy.
I got a white gravy.
Delicious.
They always give you bigger pieces, all right?
Yes, they do. Right compared to my hand?
Look, oh, look at that. Look, it's so hot and juicy. Just like me. It's just like me, I'm hot and juicy. How you gonna have 4th of July weekend without fried chicken? Oh, and I got another piece. It just changed right now. We are done. Oh my God. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy 4th of July. What a new crew.
Yeah.
We had a great day. We enjoyed the fireworks. We enjoyed all the 4th of July merch that they have here at Knott's Berry Farm, which was a lot of stuff.
They had a lot of stuff and the yummies. It was a good day today. It wasn't too hot. It was
not too
nice,
bad.
Breezy.
We did overwork ourselves because we were here all freaking day.
Yeah, we were here all day.
But you know, the best part of this is Jose! I love this thing. But if it's your first time checking out D&Me and KIDULT TV, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to D&Me and KIDULT TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell whenever we upload a new video.
Yeah.
But from D&Me and KIDULT TV, say bye, D.
Bye.
And we'll see you guys all on the next theme park vlog.